Are you tired of chasing endless leads that go nowhere? What if I told you there is a smarter way to generate leads that actually convert using AI? Stay tuned because in this video, I'll show you how B2B founders like you are scaling faster and smarter with these three powerful strategies. Hi, I'm Tony Koenig, the founder of The Scaling Founder and Connect Digital, and I specialize in helping $5 to $10 million B2B firms like yours scale with smart lead generation techniques. In this video, I'll break down the exact AI-driven strategy my clients use to cut sales by 37% and book 20 plus qualified appointments monthly. So let's crack it. Strategy number one, harness intent data to find buyers in market. So let's start with the intent data. What does that mean? Did you know that you can track online behaviors like web searches or content downloads to spot prospects who are actively looking for solutions like yours? Tools like Scaling Founder Smart Data, Bombora, and Zoom Info can flag companies showing high intent. For example, imagine a $6 million healthcare firm downloading your competitor's case study. This is your chance to swoop in with personalized outreach. Here's a quick win for you. Set up a free Google Alerts account for your niche keywords like B2B sales automation. Monitor it daily, then reach out to companies researching your space with a value-driven message like, so you're exploring AI lead automation for B2B sales teams? Here's how we cut sales cycles by 37%. This strategy alone has helped my clients reduce outreach time by 50% and boost response rates to 15%. One of my clients, they are in the mortgage industry in the UK, started doing this. They started looking at people looking for expat mortgages and things like that on the internet. We included that information in their CRM, and within days, they had a person from Hong Kong wanting to buy a flat in London, and it was like a £50 million, a 50,000 pound deal in just a few weeks. So if you're wondering how this could work for your business, download my free Smart Lead Gen guide for $5 to $10 million founders. Details are in the description below. So strategy number two, implement AI lead scoring to prioritize hot prospects. Next up is the AI lead scoring, and let's get into what that actually talks about. This is where AI tools like Scaling Founder CRM, HubSpot, or Salesforce Einstein rank your prospects based on their likelihood to buy. For instance, you can assign points for actions like visiting your pricing page or attending a webinar, for emails that you've sent, for email opens, for link clicks, for form completes. So you focus on a lead with a high score, say 70 plus. So here's a quick win that you can do right now is manually score your last 20 leads. If you see a C-level contact from a $5 to $10 million company who's engaged with your content, reach out today with a tailored pitch like, I notice you're scaling fast. Let's discuss automating your lead gen. One of my $7 million clients used this strategy and found that 10% of the leads drove 80% of their revenue, cutting sales cycles by 37%. Again here, this expat mortgage company, they had an old database that we uploaded into their CRM, and we started scoring those leads to see how they interacted on the website, how they responded to emails. Just from that action alone, we had over 14 people now that are looking for mortgages, and it was a massive win for them. It's hundreds of thousands of pounds for them. So yes, number three, strategy three is automate your follow-ups with AI to never miss a deal. So let's talk about the follow-ups. This is critical. Did you know that 80% of sales require at least 5 follow-ups, but most reps give up after 1 or 2? AI tools like Scaling Founder CRM, Outreach, or Reply.io can help automate this process, ensuring timely and personalized follow-ups. Here's how it works. Craft a 3-email sequence for your leads. Your first email could share a tip, the second a success story, and the third an offer for a free smart lead audit. Schedule these emails to send every 3 to 5 days and only stop when the lead engages. One of my clients saw a 40% increase in booked appointments just by automating follow-ups. And today, there's no excuse for not doing it properly anymore. You can personalize it through your CRM and just follow up and then put intent to that and also score the lead. And pretty soon, you've got some really high quality hot leads to work with. So there you have it. Harnessing intent data, AI lead scoring, and automated follow-ups to transform your lead generation process. Start today. The best part is you don't need more leads, you just need smart leads. So if you're ready to scale smarter, book a free smart lead audit with me. It only takes 15 minutes and I'll show you how you too can cut your sales cycles using AI. Click the link in the description below and get started. And don't forget to subscribe to the Scaling Founder for more actionable tips on scaling your B2B business with AI. I'll see you in the next video.